Grant. Get to you.
Okay.
That's how big the flakes are.
It's sleeting now, and there are some big snowflakes mixing in. Not much, but look. Yes. Y'all think we'll get much? Alright, I'm filming my son so you can see it falling on him. Okay, just stop. I'm about to freeze. Probably ain't gonna have much land on you. Now it's mainly turning into snow from the sleet. There, you can see it falling in front of his. Alright, we'll be back.
This is the snow as it's falling. There it is on the trampoline. And we have major snow falling down. There it is. You have snowflakes the size of a quarter. Dun, 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 dun. Winds are picking up out here. It's a blizzard! Ah!
Now it's 2:19. I don't know if you can see the snow coming down. It's coming down pretty good. Trampoline's turning white. Looks like it's starting to stick a little bit. Isn't it pretty?
It is Wednesday, February 25th at 2:36 p.m. The big blizzard 2015. We're gonna see if it's accumulating on the road, and I can confirm that it is not quite yet, but it's still snowing. The true patch ain't even here yet. This is all rain.
It is around 3:15. It quit snowing and sleeting for a little bit, but now it's snowing again. So I need to go to the mailbox anyway. It's starting to accumulate a little bit on my son's car. And on the grass. Let's see if you can see it hitting on my head. This camera's in reverse. Maybe you can see it hitting my son. He looked like a mannequin. Alright, it had quit snowing again. It is now 4:30, and look at the snow coming down now. This is pretty. That's some big flakes. This snow, I believe, has some sleet in it. Yep, because I can hear the ice pellets. This is pretty. Starting to stick to the driveway and to the road. I just got a text from the sheriff's office saying the roads are starting to get a little slick and to go home and stay home. We'll be back. Okay, it's about 5 o'clock. We're gonna walk up to the road, see what it's doing. Say hey. Yeah, all I need's another. All I need's a, y'all like my socks? All I need's another broke foot.
Yeah, that's sticking to the road. I can see it. That's good.
There's Alex's car. There's the picnic table. Slick. We put a Sprite can out here just to see how deep it gets. So, starting to get a little, oh, we saw some trucks out here trying to slide all on the road and stuff. These are these big. Hear that truck? Hear them showing out? Do your foot and let's see if it's getting on the road. Yep. Starting to get some ice on the roads. But see the big flakes? Alex, come here and let me show it landing on you, big flakes. See if you can see the big flakes compared to you. Yep, one just landed. My daughter won't let me film her. Ta-da! I'm gonna do my camera like this, it's in reverse. See? Look at the snowflakes. Look at these big flakes though. And these flakes are huge. See if I can get one to land. Alright, so I've got some homemade chili cooking. Done got my cornbread done. It's got it sitting on the back of the stove. And I'm comfy. I got my socks. Yep. So we'll be back later. Ooh, one just hit me in the eye.
One just hit me so hard on my shoulder.